How to add an alert on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add an alert on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up your app, to add the alert on your TradingView chart, just simply look at the right side of your screen where you can see the crosshair. Click on this plus icon over here. Once you click on it, you will be provided with the option Add Alert. You are looking to add alert, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, your alert will be available. Now drag it to the point where you want to get alert. If the price reaches to this point, your alert will be activated. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add alert on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.